To fix Venmo notifications, start by checking your notification settings within the Venmo app. Open the app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. From there, select Notification Preferences to ensure that notifications are enabled for the types of activities you want to be informed about, such as payments, requests, and updates from friends. Next, verify that your device's operating system is set to allow Venmo notifications. For iOS devices, go to the Settings app, then tap on Notifications and find Venmo in the list to make sure the switch next to Allow Notifications is turned on. For Android devices, go to the Settings app, then select Apps or Application Manager. Find Venmo, and ensure that notifications are enabled. Another step is to check if Venmo has permission to send you notifications. Sometimes, apps may not have the necessary permissions to display notifications. For both iOS and Android, you can manage these permissions in the device's Settings app under the Venmo section. If you are still experiencing issues with Venmo notifications, consider restarting your device. This simple action can resolve a variety of problems, including those related to app notifications, by clearing out temporary bugs or glitches. Additionally, ensure that your Venmo app is up to date, as outdated versions might have bugs that affect notification delivery. You can check for updates in the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Lastly, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may want to consider reinstalling the Venmo app. This will remove any corrupted data that might be preventing notifications from working properly. After reinstalling, sign back into your Venmo account and reconfigure your notification settings as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Venmo notifications and stay updated on your transactions and interactions within the app. Remember to always keep your app and device's operating system updated to prevent future issues.